again to this channel. So briefly, I'll be showing you how you can be able to complete the tasks needed on the OpenEx airdrop. Remember, we did the first task, and if you couldn't do that, it is not too late. Go ahead and do that. All right, so now they've made it quite easier to link your wallet. All right, now if you have done it before, which is the first task, which was released about a week or two ago, all you need to do is just to follow up on this particular update. Okay, so either you're going to their Telegram channel right now, or you just go to your web browser and type OpenX. This particular website is what you're logging into, openx.network/download. Okay, so open that website, and then you have to download the mobile app. All right, you have to download the mobile app, and you have to download this first one if you're using an Android device. Okay, so choose that first one and wait for it to install on your phone, and once it's installed, just launch the mobile app. Now remember, we've done the first task using our MetaMask wallet before. So all you need to do is to go to that particular MetaMask you used. Now once you're in your MetaMask, just go to the settings. You can see the settings below here, and then you can see your security and privacy. Okay, and then reveal my recovery phrase. Okay, now once you enter your security and privacy, all you need to do is just to copy out your recovery phrase. Meanwhile, even before you open your MetaMask, you are supposed to keep your recovery phrase safe. All right, so if you've kept it safe, all you needed to do is just to go to your the platform here. This is the OpenX app. Then click on import. You import, and then you type in your recovery phrase one after the other with a space. For instance, assuming my first word is gift, you type it and then put space, type the second one, set, and then you continue like that. Once you're done, you click on next. All right, okay, so I will be copying mine directly from MetaMask, and that's exactly what I just showed you. Now go to your MetaMask, click on settings, and then click on review secret recovery phrase. Now, having imported your phrase, you'll be asked to type in a 6-digit pin, and then after you've typed in your 6-digit pin, you need to type that 6-digit pin twice. Once you've typed the 6-digit pin twice, you click on done, and after clicking on done, this is exactly what you would be having. Just wait for it to load, and after loading, you should be seeing this. Now every single thing you did on the first tax that's on the MetaMask, you should be seeing them here. For instance, I had 2 USDT left, I had OEX left, and I also had AGI on the MetaMask before. Okay, so now if you do not have all these three, you may need to buy them now. Okay, just make sure you go to your testnet, claim as much as possible, claim as much as enough USDT, and then convert them into OEX and AGI, because you need the three of them to actually be qualified to complete this particular task. All right, so now let's move on to the next phase, which is you'll go to the mission. If you look down here, you're seeing something like mission. Okay, so click on that mission. Now the first mission is to bind your email, that is the same email you used for your Satoshi. You will need to bind it here. So click on that envelope and then type in your Satoshi email, and then choose your country. Just click on the country and choose your own country, and then you click on submit. Currently this is not working well. You can see something went wrong, which is an error message is popping up. So you may need to keep trying that some other time, but this is exactly what you would do. Now the next thing is to complete a simple Twitter task, which is this particular one you have here. So just click on it, and then first before you even complete this, make sure you have followed OpenEx on Twitter. So you type in your Twitter username here, alright, and then you click on next step. Okay, make sure you're following OpenEx on Twitter. Alright, now the next thing is to copy the post inside this box, the whole of this post inside this post, and go to your Twitter page and post it. Okay, so I'm going to be copying the whole of this. Just highlight all and then copy. Now open your Twitter account. Now that you're in your Twitter account, how do you get your Twitter username? If you've forgotten your Twitter username, just look at the top here. You can see that human head. Click on the human head, and then as many as of you that may be asking, how do I locate my Twitter username? So that's your Twitter username there. Now remember, I'm supposed to be following OpenEx, so you can click on the search below and search for OpenEx just to make sure you're following them. OpenEx. Alright, so this is the first one. So click on it to open it with a blue tick. Click on follow. Okay. Now you need to make a post on Twitter. So click on the plus. Now delete whatever you have there. Make sure you paste the whole post you just copied just now from the app, and then you click on post at the top here. Alright, okay, that has been posted. Now if you return back here, there is an instruction. They said you are supposed to copy the link to the post you made on Twitter. So how do you get the link? You return back to that Twitter and then click on the home. You can see this is the home. Click on it and then click on your image at the top left, and then click on profile. Now while on your profile, just go down a little. You can see the post that I just posted just some few seconds ago. You can see that 33 seconds ago. So that's my last post. Now the only thing you need to do here is to copy the link to this post. So you can see this. That's exactly what to click on to copy the link. Click on that share button and then click on copy link. Now I have copied the link, so you minimize and return back to OEX app, and then on this section you post this way. You're going to be pasting what you just copied just now. Paste it there, and then after pasting it, click on check status. Alright, click on it and then wait for that to verify. You may need to wait for some time, but then you will see the whole of this would be marked, and then you will see a successful message. You can see them already marking them in green, and then they are all green. So click on finish mission since they are all green, which means that is successful, just as you can see here. Okay, so now you just click on the back arrow to go back at the top left, and then the next mission is a Telegram mission, which is this. Okay, so click on it. Now you will need to copy this Telegram username. You can see what I cycled at the top there. So just click and hold and copy that. Open it on your own Telegram account. Open it on your Telegram account. You can see this is a bot. So click on it to open, and then click on start. Alright, so now you would need to get your address. Just minimize and return back here and copy the whole of this message. Okay, copy everything and then come back to your Telegram and then send what you just copied. Now paste it and send. Now I have sent it, but this has not been verified yet because of the numerous crowd on the platform currently. So you need to go back and continue with the rest for now. Now the next one is mission L. So click on that to open, and then you will just need to wait for them to verify this. Okay, so now if you notice, all this has been verified. I have all the token, So just click on submit. If you don't have any of these ones, it is advisable you try and get them from the testnet platform. So click on submit. Now you can see it as I've passed this stage. Return back and then click on this last mission here. Click on it. Okay, now I've passed this mission before. Remember, this was a mission we passed on the first at the first phase of the testnet that actually gave us the 10 USDT. So this has been passed before. Now the one that is pending for now is a Telegram mission and also the email linked to your account, the mission for that to submit. Okay, for now they have not been verified because of the numerous people trying to do the same thing at this particular moment. So I would suggest you try that some other time. That's exactly the brief summary on how to go about this second phase, which may likely be the last phase to the distribution.